Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be on my strawberry lemonade makeup look. So basically the strawberry lemonade is going to be dedicated to my eyes, and that's going to be pink and yellow with a tap of green. I always start out with my eyebrows first, so I'm filling out my eyebrows here with ColorMate's dark brown pencil, which is really for eyeliner, but I use it for my eyebrows instead. You can find this at Dollar Tree for $1. Here I am blending out my eyebrows to make them look natural. You don't want to leave that harsh line, and if you like smudge it on the outside or above your eyebrow, don't worry about it. Concealer is going to clean it up. I'm using NYX concealer, the cream based one. Does a great job of cleaning up and keeping it clear. So that's why I love this one the most, and it does an amazing job. And I'm using a flat brush. No, not angled, which I usually use, but today I decided to use a flat brush because it's easier to get that smooth effect. Alright, right here I'm using the NYX Duo. I'm only using the darker side because there's nothing else left in the light side, because I used the light side for a highlight as well. So it's gone, so I'm using the darker side. You really can't tell much in the video of it's being on my skin due to the fact I do have acne scars, but it does clear up for me. Now I'm using NYX setting powder to set my brows, so if somebody try to touch my eyebrows and try to be funny, they're not going anywhere. So now I'm removing my collagen lip mask. I'm using Fenty Beauty primer. This is my first time using Fenty. So yeah, as it goes on, it looks great. So many may not know that Fenty Beauty's foundation it oxidizes, so it may look extremely light at first on my skin, but later it looks like my skin. And you'll see that in the video. So if you ever buy any one of her foundations, it may not look like your skin at first, but it oxidizes into your skin. Not speaking negative on Fenty Beauty or anything, but Smashbox does a better job of covering up my acne scars. I'm using Anastasia medium to dark concealer palette. You can find this at TJ Maxx, or you can find it at Sephora, but I got it from TJ Maxx for $20, which I couldn't beat. Some of you may be wondering why my eyes are extremely dark. I recently have to adapt to having eczema on my eyelids, and it drives me crazy. My skin is really dry around my eyes, and I can't get any prescribed medicine for your eyes because most medicines cannot go on your eyelids. So I'm constantly putting lotion on my face, and that's just producing acne and more problems. So yeah, the struggle is real, y'all. So here I'm using my e.l.f. HD setting powder again. on my lower jawbone and my upper cheeks and part of my nose, some of my forehead too. My strawberry lemonade colors, I'm using Suva Block Party palette. So I'm starting out with Drunk Love, which is a vibrant pink. And I already told y'all I have eczema on my eyelids, so you may see, I don't know, some dry skin rolling around on my eyelid, but it looks good in the end. That's all that matters. Using my cream base concealer, which is my skin tone. Most people use a lighter shade, but me, I'm like, why spend extra money on some concealer when I can use my color? So that's why I'm using my color. So I'm using Lemonade on top of the concealer I just applied on the pink. So that way you can see that color actually pop, and it really doesn't matter what color concealer you use. So now I'm using Mixed Tape, which is like a funny greenish blue, and I'm putting that in the corner of my eye, which would be like the stem to a strawberry. But no, I'm not actually making a strawberry on my eye, I'm just using the colors. Now I'm going to blend pink on the outer corner of my eye to blend in with the yellow, so it looks smooth and well blended. I did do a wing liner, but that's like my weakness. So instead I'll be showing how I put on my lashes, and I am using Belly Than Sex mascara. Setting powder, and apparently y'all will see in the next video or two I forgot to dust off my nose, but I did get it after I finished